How to make caramel pudding. Ingredients needed: sugar 1 cup and half cup of water. This is to make a thick caramel. Keep it in low flame and cook until it turns golden brown. Stir it well so it turns golden brown. It will just take 5 to 10 minutes, and once the caramel is ready, pour into the baking bowl and you can keep this aside. Next we will make the pudding. 2 egg, butter 2 spoons. This should be unsalted. Rava half a cup, 2 cup milk and little vanilla essence. How to make? In a vessel, pour 2 cups of boiled milk. Then you can pour half cup of sugar. For 2 cups of milk, you should pour half cup of sugar. 2 tablespoon butter. In a bowl, beat egg. You can add vanilla essence, a cup of vanilla essence. And then in the boiling milk, you can now add rava half cup. Now you can stir it well. Within 5 to 6 minutes, you can see rava getting cooked. Now you can pour this mixture into the beaten egg little by little, and now you can beat just for 1 to 2 seconds. Then you may pour the mixture upon the caramel which has been already poured in the baking bowl. In the oven, you can pour some water in the baking tray so that the caramel doesn't become very thick, and then you can keep the mixture. You can bake for 50 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. Thank you.